Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be covering application workflows, how they work within Guildbase, how to customize them, and how they work for your server. So I'm logged in, I'm on the overview tab, I'm going to click on workflows. So what this will do is it will give me a list of the workflows I currently have within the guild. So this one was created for us and it's the standard application process. To see the different stages within a workflow, I can click on the view stages option here and it'll expand and it'll show me we've got pending review, under review, interview scheduled, accepted and rejected. Now, this is fine. You can use this, you can remove a stage. Um, Say for instance we wanted interview scheduled above under review, we could simply drag and move it and it will change the order. But let's move that back. If you don't want an interview scheduled stage, you can simply delete it. So now we've got a really streamlined workflow where it goes into pending review, under review, and then once it hits under review, it then gets either accepted or rejected. To edit a specific stage, I'll click on the little pencil icon, and what that'll do is it'll let me change the stage name, description. I can mark it as a final stage. This is if you wanted it as a accepted or rejected, but we won't do that for this. Click on the notifications tab. I can customize the email notification that goes to the applicant, completely choose how that looks. I can also optionally add a Discord DM. So as well as emailing them, it will also DM them from the bot and give them an update on their application. Essentially saying, yep, we've received your application, it will be processed. This is crucial for communication and this helps to stop many applicants being left in the dark. When they're in general chats and they're asking, oh, when is my application being done? How long does it take? This is where you can give them very clear information right off the bat. So it saves a lot of headaches down the line. You can also use variables as well with these messages. So you've got applicant name, guild name, reviewer name, template, application ID, and stage name. So you can just add those in plain text. So if I want a stage name, and then when it moves to that stage, Guildbase knows, oh, this is a variable, and we'll swap it out. The next tab is the actions for a workflow stage. Now this is the brains of a stage, essentially. This is where you tell Guildbase, okay, when an application moves to this stage, I want you to do X. So if I click on the Add Application button, it's going to give me a load of options. So it's going to say, oh, I can add a Discord role, remove role, change a Discord nickname. This is ideal for FiveM servers. So for instance, if you've got a field on your application that says character name, for instance, if they've got an in-game character name, you can have Guildbase automatically set their Discord username based on their character name when they get accepted. Full automation. You could send a webhook. So if you've got a, say for instance, a Discord webhook or a custom application, email, so you can send a direct email to someone else if you really want to. Five roster integration. So if you're using the Five roster system, it's really good by the way. I totally didn't build that as well. You can enroll them into a roster from the Guildbase system. So when they get an application accepted, let's say they get accepted into the police department, you could say, okay, I want you to automatically enroll them into the roster, assign them a call sign, and give them the PD roles. And that'll all be done automated. You can add a flag. Again, if you've got a PD department and they have like K9 and SWAT and air units, you could pick out, right, okay, I want you to add them to the K9 flag if it's a K9 application. But this is completely customizable to you and how you set up your server, your community. And then we've also got the add to Cosmo allow list. So if you've integrated with Cosmo, and I'll cover integrations in another video, you can tell Guildbase to, okay, when the application goes to this stage, add them to the Cosmo allow list. So let's close this out. If I really wanted to, I can duplicate the stage, duplicate the workflow, edit the workflow itself if I want to change the name of it, or if I really wanted to, I could delete it. To create a custom one, we just click on the Create Workflow button. Let's say whitelist application. This is a whitelist flow. I'm not going to set it as default, but I'm going to make sure it's active. Create. And then by default, Guildbase will automatically create these stages for us. We can add a custom stage if we really want to, but I think that's good for now. Obviously, in a real scenario, you'd go in, you'd update all of the notifications for accepted, you'd add actions, but that's how to create a custom workflow. And then when you go to the templates tab, if I click on the settings icon here, I can choose the workflow that I've just created. So that very quickly is application workflows, how to manage them, how to edit them, and how to create custom ones. Thank you very much for watching.